Driving pink car.
The sun is shining in the unknown forest. What is Duda up to today?
Take a ride on pink car and fly high. Oh, I want to go too! Oh, it was a dream. Traveling was really fun. Go back to sleep? I don't need to. I have my friend Dada. Let's have a fun time. Let's see. Where should we go explore today? Okay, let's go to the lake. Since Papa lives there, I'm sure she can show us around.
Have a nice time. I made it. Oh, pink car's so cool. It's like it was made for me. Come rain or shine, I will drive pink car today. Someone's coming. Hide!
Dada! Dada? Oh, Dada's not here. Wow. Wowie zowie!
Who in the world is it? Huh?
Wow. Whoa. Someday soon, I'm gonna travel the world too. Huh? Cool bananas! Zoom, zoom! Vroom, 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 vroom! Huh? Wow! Pink car's moving! Rhinoceros beetle. It has a tough outer covering and is very strong. When in danger, it uses its sharp horn to attack. Oh, how interesting. I'm just looking. Sorry. Bye now. It's Pink Car. Dada. Caber. Duda is driving Pink Car. Oh, Dada, where is Dada? I have to find Dada. Dada! Take a ride on Pink Car. Wow, pretty flowers. Wow, what an interesting tree. A butterfly. Hey, butterfly!
Hey, why is the car shaking so much? I can't take it anymore! Duda?
Scott, hello. When did you get on?
Duda, are you driving Pink Car right now?
Driving?
Do you know how to drive?
Nuh-uh.
You don't know how to drive? I want to get off. Let me get off right now.
Okay, get off.
You have to stop first. Be careful, there's a tree. Left. Phew. Watch out to the right. There's no road.
Which way?
Go right.
Yahoo! Zoom! Duda is driving Pink Car? Yeah. How can he be driving? You just have to press a button for Pink Car to move. This is terrible! What? What is it? I don't think Duda knows how. What? I don't think Duda knows how to stop. Caber, where did you see Duda? From home, I went through the forest. Oh, yeah, he was here, and he was going this way. He might end up in the lake. We have to hurry and stop Pink Car.
Duda, stop the car now! I said stop!
But how?
But how? Do you not know how to stop?
Yeah, driving is super fun, but I don't know how to stop.
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? It's a nightmare! Ah! Help me! Ah!
Piggy Puggy, have you guys seen Duda?
He went that way.
I'm so scared! Help!
Duda, press the red button. That's how you stop. You're heading toward the lake. Let's go fly.
And tell Duda. Duda! Duda!
Press the button. Hi, Piggy Puggy.
The blue button. No, the red button.
It's the blue button.
No, it's the red button.
The blue button, I say.
What is it? What?
Which button?
Button! Which one is it? Oh, whatever!
Yahoo! We're floating on the water! We're floating!
In front of us!
Huh? Baby ducks! We have to stop Pink-Car! We stopped Pink-Car! Oh, they're so cute! Hey, duckies! Hello! Dada, I drove Pink-Car all by myself. Did you see? Duda, you should never ever drive Pink-Car by yourself. Why? Because it's dangerous and you don't know your way around well. Sorry, Dada. But I was able to stop Pink-Car. Pink-Car stopped because all your friends helped you, Duda. Bubble, thank you. Caber, thank you.
It was nothing.
So how was it, traveling on Pink-Car? Oh, yeah, traveling. Dada, I want to be just like you when I grow up. You want to be like me? You mean you want to be an explorer like me? Yeah! An explorer who travels the world!
Me too. I'm gonna be an insect explorer.
Huh? An explorer? Is that a good thing? Then I want to be an explorer too! All right, starting today, I'll teach you all about exploring. Yippee! From now on, we're gonna be explorers! However, driving Pink-Car is a no-no. Okay. No! Come on, let's all get on Pink-Car and go home. Okay. First, I'll teach you how to read a map. Huh?
I'll just walk. I've had enough of Pink-Car for today.
Duda drove Pink-Car today. It was a dangerous experience, but through it, Duda discovered that he wanted to be an adventurous explorer.
I got taller!
It's morning, and Duda's looking up at a tall tree.
It's an apple. Go. Apple, don't you go anywhere. I'll be right back. Shoop. That's my apple. That's my
Delicious.
apple.
This is my apple. You have to be tall like me to pick apples. Duda, you're this short, and I'm this tall.
Oh.
Bye-bye, shorty.
I'm not a shorty. I'm gonna grow as tall as Spot. Drink a lot of water and grow nice and tall. Huh? Water me too! Oh, you scared me! Duda, what are you doing here? I want to drink a lot of water and grow tall too! Water! Duda, drinking water won't make you tall. Oh, why not? Because you're not a plant, Duda. Aww. Huh? Duda, what are you doing? Dada, Dada! Can you give me a pull? Huh? Why? Just pull me, please! Hurry! Hurry! Come on, pull! Like this? A little more? Ouch! Ta-da! Dada, do I look any taller? I bet I got taller! Do that. He looks the same. Do that. Ta-da! Huh? Phooey, I'm still short. I haven't gotten any taller. Scott! Scott!
Ah, who dares to disturb my nappy time?
Here,
Who is
here.
it? Who is it, I say?
It's me. I'm over here.
Holy smokes! So there you are, little munchkin. Sorry, I couldn't see you.
Scott, how did you get so tall?
Oh, you see, I ate well and slept well. Wait, let's play a prank on Duda. Actually, this is a secret, but I have a magic spell that makes you tall.
Magic? Where do you keep the magic?
Do you want to be tall? Do you want my help?
Yes!
Then promise me you'll take me with you the next time you ride Pink Eye.
Okay, promise, I promise.
All right. Alakazam, alakazam, abracadabra!
Wow, am I really tall now?
No, not yet. You see, the magic spell...
The magic spell?
takes effect in the afternoon when it's really sunny.
When it's really sunny.
After eating lunch and after your midday snack.
Eat lunch, eat midday snack.
Then you'll start to get taller and taller.
Really? But how will I know?
By looking at this. You'll know by looking at your shadow.
My shadow? It's really sunny. I ate my lunch and my snack too. Here I go! Oh, I can't look. I'll look. Oh, I can't look. I'll look. Oh, I hope I got taller. Wowee! I got really tall! Dada! 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 Duda, what's the matter? Bam! Don't you think I look a little different? Now that you mention it. Yeah? Your tummy is sticking out more than before. Oh, not my tummy. Don't you see? I got way taller. Woohoo! I got taller! He got taller? I am Duda the Giant. I can do anything in the world. Hold on, that's... Trito! You're gonna fall! Duda the Giant saves the day! I think I got even taller now! Duda the Giant to the rescue! Be careful, duckies! Off I go! A hero's work never ends! I can save my friends from danger now! Yippee!
Come on, give it back!
Nah, come and get it!
Give me back my
Take
hat!
it if you can!
It's my hat! Give it back!
Duda the Giant to the rescue! What was that?
Beats me.
Wow, I'm Duda the Giant! Woohoo! It's really sunny! Huh? Oh, it's not sunny. Oh, my shadow! My shadow! Where is it? I want to keep being Duda the Giant! The Giant! Oh, the magic spell must have worn off. No more shadow. No more Duda the Giant. Oh. Duda! Duda, I was looking for you. Where did you go? Dada. Oh, why are you so down? What's wrong? We're going stargazing now. Let's go, Duda. I'm not going. I can't do anything anymore now because I'm short and my shadow is gone. Your shadow? I'm not Duda the Giant anymore. I can't help my forest friends any longer, and I can't do any more good deeds.
Maybe Duda saw his long shadow.
And thought that he got a lot taller. That must be it.
You're going stargazing? I want to go too. Duda, you promised you would take me for a ride.
Oh, Scott, sorry, but I'm not going to go. I can't do anything because the magic wore off.
Huh? The magic that makes you tall? I made all that stuff up.
What? You made it up? Did you really make all that up? That's so strange. Then how did I become so strong? I was strong enough to save Trito, and I rescued the ducks too. I even helped Piggy and Puggy. Aha! Duda, you did all those things not because of a magic spell, but because of your strength, Duda. My strength? Your inner strength that came out because you love your friends. Duda, my hero!
You're amazing.
I'm a hero? I'm amazing? It's because you helped your friends, Duda. Wow, I can help my friends even though I'm short?
Of course you can, indubitably.
You're the best, Duda. Wow-wee! Now I know. I won't be needing magic anymore. And I don't have to be tall. That's right. Duda the Amazing. Duda-da-da-da-da. Duda the Amazing. Go, go!
For Pete's sake! Are we going stargazing or what?
It doesn't matter if you're tall or short. Everyone is special in their own way.
It's hard being a mommy.
Duda! Where is our friend Duda?
Explorers fall in! Has everyone gathered? Yes, sir! Good. Now follow me, General Duda! Huh? What was that? Huh? Huh? Who is it? Huh? 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 I found it! What is this? It's so weird. The egg has feet. Mommy! Holy moly! Oh, you're just a baby duck. You're cute. Huh? But where's your mommy? Mommy! Yeah, your mommy. Mommy! What are you doing? Mommy! I'm not your mommy. I'm not your mom. Huh? I wonder where Duda is. Mommy? That wasn't me. I definitely heard Mommy. There's Duda now.
Duda!
Here you are. Duda, what in the world? Hi. Mommy. It's so cute. It's a baby duck. Mommy. Why is it calling you Mommy? Are you a duck,
Duda? No! Okay, all right.
Maybe it's because Duda's yellow. He's the same color as a duck. Could that be it?
Newborn baby ducks think the first thing they see is their mother.
So that's why it thinks Duda is its mommy.
Oh no, what should I do?
You'll have to look after it till its mother comes.
I do? Baby duck, let's rest a bit. Oh, I'm so tired. Very interesting. Freshwater fish are known for... Spin around!
Duda, look what you did to the dishes.
It wasn't me!
Mommy?
No one ever believes me. Phooey.
Okay, Mommy Duck. Feed this to the baby now.
What about me?
You're too old for a bottle.
Oh.
Duda, keep an eye on the baby while we're gone.
We'll go look for things the baby duck can eat. Boy, it can really eat. Ducky, where are you going?
Duda!
Oh, my flower pot!
Duda, what did you do?
No, it wasn't me! I didn't do this! I wish the mommy would show up soon.
Hey, let's go look for the baby duck's real mommy. Okay!
You know, the mother's probably looking for her baby too. But who's gonna babysit? Huh?
I'm Scott, the greatest inventor of all. Huh? Hey, here you all are.
Scott, I'm so glad you're here.
Do you want to see my latest awesome invention?
Here. This too?
Hey,
Take good care of the baby duck for us.
what is this?
It's a baby
It's
duck.
a baby duck.
Huh? Why would they leave a baby duck with me? It's finally finished!
Oh, this is...
I'll put the bottle here. So when the baby duck wakes up, happy on its rocking bed, it can see the bottle and start eating right away. Piggy, Buggy, do you know how to take care of a baby?
You have to be nice.
You can't get mad?
You're both correct. If you make sure to keep the baby happy, then there will be absolutely nothing to get mad about. A rocking bed with milk, plus nice soothing music. Babysitting is a walk in the park for a genius like me. What is this? Our little ducky has woken up.
Mommy!
Hey, Duck, I'm your mommy now. What do you think you're doing? What is this? Why, you duck? Huh? Where did it go? Baby ducky! No, not that! I said no!
We've been around the lake 3 times already and no mommy.
Should we go look around the cliff, Dada?
Good idea.
She's not here either. Oh, I hope the baby duck is okay.
I'm more worried about Scott.
Baby ducky, where are you? What's the sound? Huh?
We've looked everywhere, but no mother duck.
Poor baby duck. My book says that if a duckling loses its mother, it has to stay put and wait. Then the mother can find it.
Yeah, right. I bet the mommy is looking for the baby right now. Duda, where did you first see the baby duck?
Where I first saw it?
What's taking those guys so long? That's a duck's foot. Huh?
Mommy! Ducky! Duda, it's time to say goodbye to the baby.
Go on now. It's your real mommy. Go on. Goodbye.
Mommy Duda, I'm very proud of you.
Duda's awesome.
Yeah, you were pretty awesome today. Come visit us! Bye, Ducky!
I miss my mommy all of a sudden.
Duda became a baby duck's mommy. You were great today, Mommy Duda.